If you are an Indian citizen and want to apply for a Canadian work permit, you can follow these steps. Determine if you are eligible. Check the eligibility criteria for Canadian work permit on the official website of the Government of Canada. You need to meet certain requirements such as having a job offer from a Canadian employer, obtaining a Labour Market Impact Assessment (LMI), and proving that you have enough money to support yourself and your family members while in Canada. Gather the required documents. You will need to provide various documents, such as your passport, NIA, proof of funds, educational certificates, and work experience certificates. Make sure that you have all the necessary documents in the correct format and order. Apply online. You can apply for a Canadian work permit online through the official website of the Government of Canada. You will need to create an account and fill out the application form. You will also need to pay the application fee. Wait for processing. The processing time for a Canadian work permit varies depending on the country you are applying from and the type of work permit you are applying for. Generally, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. Travel to Canada. If your work permit application is approved, you will receive a letter of introduction. You will need to show this letter, along with other documents, to the Border Services Officer when you arrive in Canada. It's important to note that the process of applying for a Canadian work permit can be complex, so it's a good idea to consult with a qualified immigration consultant or lawyer for guidance.